In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new venture or refreshing your brand, having a simple yet impactful logo is essential. So let's jump right in and create something amazing together. First, open up Canva in your web browser. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that's perfect for those who may not have a graphic design background. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and then select Logo from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to a canvas specially sized for logo creation, giving you the ideal foundation to build on. Before diving into the design, it's always a good idea to gather inspiration. Look around online, check out some design showcases, or think about logos you've admired in the past. What elements stood out to you? Keep those in mind as you head back to Canva, ready to customize. Once you're feeling inspired, it's time to choose your layout. Canva offers an array of logo templates to get you started. Browse through these templates and pick one that aligns with the vision you have for your brand. Remember, you can easily change colors, fonts, and other elements, so focus on the overall structure you prefer. With your layout chosen, it's time to personalize it with text. Click on the text tool in the left-hand menu and then add your brand name. Play around with different fonts until you find one that captures the essence of your brand. Fonts can convey a lot about your business, from modern and sleek to classic and elegant, so choose wisely. Next, think about symbols and colors. Click on the Elements tab and search for symbols or icons that represent your brand's identity. Maybe it's a stylized letter or a simple shape that ties into your business. After selecting your symbol, head over to the Palette option to choose colors. A cohesive color palette can make your logo look polished and professional. Make sure the colors match both your brand identity and are easy on the eyes. Now it's crucial to align and balance everything. Use Canva's grid and alignment tools to make sure your logo is neatly aligned. A balanced logo is much more visually appealing and demonstrates professionalism. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to save it. Click on the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG for high-quality output and save it to your device. And there you have it, a customized logo designed in Canva within minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited about the logo you've created. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!